September 4, 2021, the Moon Star Cluster Tour continues this morning with the Beehive Star Cluster. In the evening sky, just one day before its conjunction with Spica, find the brilliant planet in the west-southwest after sunset. Chart caption, 2021, September 4th, through a binocular, the thin crescent moon is 4.6 degrees to the lower left of the Beehive Star Cluster, M44. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:20 a.m. CDT, sunset, 7:19 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Again today, daylight is a minute less than 13 hours. Daylight rapidly decreases throughout the month. By September 30th, daylight's length is about 11 hours, 45 minutes. Morning sky. This morning the crescent moon, 8% illuminated, is about 20 degrees up in the east-northeast. It is 4.2 degrees to the lower left of the Beehive Star Cluster, also known by its catalog number Messier 44 or M44. Both easily fit into a binocular field. Photo caption, the Beehive or Praesepe Star Cluster, National Science Foundation photo. The cluster is also known as the Praesepe, the manger. From a location free from streetlights, the cluster is visible to the unaided eye. It seems twice the size of the moon, and it appears as a cloudy patch. M44 is a stellar bundle in the plane of the galaxy, like the Pleiades, Hyades and Messier 35. The moon passed these clusters recently in the morning sky. The cluster has over 350 stars and its distance is about 500 light-years. The Beehive has fewer blue stars than the Pleiades, indicating that it is older than the Seven Sisters. Blue stars burn their nuclear fuels very rapidly. When the hydrogen at their cores is exhausted, the helium ash burns at a higher temperature. This outrush of energy makes the star puff outward, turn brighter, and redden. These topaz color stars are known as red giants. The cluster has several of these, along with some white dwarfs, the final stage of a star's existence. These hot cinders are the size of the Earth. Several have been spotted in the cluster. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2021, September 4th, 45 minutes after sunset, Venus is 2.6 degrees to the upper right of Spica. Venus is one evening away from its widely spaced conjunction with Spica. Find the brilliant planet about 8 degrees above the west-southwest horizon about 45 minutes after sunset. It is 2.6 degrees to the upper right of the star. Bright Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeast after sunset. Jupiter is the brightest star in the evening sky after Venus sets nearly 90 minutes after sundown. Saturn is to the upper right of Jupiter. After Jupiter, only two other stars this evening are brighter than Saturn. They are Arcturus and Vega. As the evening progresses, find the planets higher in the south-southeastern sky. Detailed daily note 1 hour before sunrise, the waning crescent moon, 26.8 d, 8%, is nearly 19 degrees above the east-northeast horizon. Use a binocular to find the Beehive Star Cluster, M44, NGC 2632 4.2 degrees to the upper right of the lunar slice. 25 minutes after sunset, Mercury is nearly 5 degrees up in the west-southwest. 20 minutes later, brilliant Venus, about 8 degrees above the south-southwest horizon, is 2.6 degrees to the upper right of Spica and 4.1 degrees to the lower left of Theta Vir. Farther eastward, Saturn is nearly 20 degrees above the southeastern horizon. Jupiter, 17.2 degrees to the lower left of the ringed wonder, is over 13 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. 2 hours after sunset, bright Jupiter, nearly 25 degrees above the southeast horizon, is 3.9 degrees to the upper right of Iota Acher, 1.0 degrees to the lower right of Mu Cap, and 1.9 degrees to the upper left of Deneb Algedi. Saturn is to Jupiter's upper left, nearly 27 degrees up in the south-southeast and 1.0 degrees below Upsilon Cap.